Raster. Raster images are made up of a set grid of pixels. This means, when you change the size or stretch a raster image, it can get a little blurry and lose some clarity. Mostly all devices use raster formats. Raster common formats. Number 1. Portable Network Graphics, .png. Number 2. Joint Photographic Experts Group, .jpeg. Number 3. Graphics Interchange Format, .gif. Number 4. Tagged Image Format File, .tif. Vector. Vector images are made up of points, lines, and curves. All of the shapes within a vector are calculated using a mathematical equation, which means the image can scale in size without losing any quality. Unlike rasters, vectors won't get blurry when scaled. You can find some great vector images to use within your designs on sites like Vecteezy. Vectors common formats. Number 1. Adobe Illustrator, AI. Number 2. Encapsulated PostScript, EPS. Number 3. Portable Document Format, .pdf. Number 4. Scalable Vector Graphics, .svg. Note: vector files have very low size. Summary. In this video we discussed 1. Raster and 2. Vector.